Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll do the charging speed test comparison between the iQOO 7 versus OnePlus Nord 2 device. Yes friends, this is my long time charging comparison between both phones. Let's see which phone will be able to charge faster. And recently both devices did get the software updates, and this is a very good chance to compare between both phones. So how much difference we can actually expect between both of these devices. And during this process, I'll try to charge the phones when in the switch off mode. Yes, completely with switch off mode only, I'll try to charge it. And during this time, I'll try to write down the battery percentage and temperatures for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. And once it gets fully charged, and even I'll try to record the time, what time the 50% got filled in both phones, which phone can actually fill 50% faster. That is what I meant. And here is the default charger 65 watt of rapid charge, as you can see exactly. And this is the Vivo charger flash charge 66 watt charger. Let's see friends which phone will be able to charge faster without wasting any kind of time. Let me try to connect the chargers and start the stopwatch. Right now, as you can see friends, the stopwatch has been started and the iQOO 7 started to charge. And one more thing, the OnePlus Nord 2, whenever you try to charge the device in the switch off mode, what happens is that the phone will automatically get start. Yes, so this is not only with the OnePlus Nord 2, this happens with the remaining ColorOS as well. Let me do one thing. I'll try to completely switch off the mobile manually. Let's see. So complete power off. Yes, so now the phone is shutting down, so that is the reason. So I'm not sure friends how to disable this option. There should be some kind of settings which should be there. It's totally annoying for me in the OnePlus Nord 2. Not only in the OnePlus Nord 2, even it happens in the Realme phones. It's completely annoying. And right now the iQOO 7 device was able to charge even in the switch off mode as well without any kind of problem. And right now OnePlus Nord 2 is also getting to start charging at this point. Right now, as you can see, 2%. You can clearly see a difference, both phones. So 2% and 3%, and both phones are started friends, the charging. So again, I'll be back after 10 minutes of charging, and let me try to check the temperatures in the beginning. 30.2, 34.8, slightly. Maybe because the phone got started, that is the reason I think so. That might be the reason. Otherwise, the phone could have been close to these temperatures only. Not much difference. So again, I'll be back after 10 minutes of time. Let's see in the 10 minutes which phone will charge, what kind of percentage levels. So right now, as you can see friends, we're getting close to exactly 10 minutes of time as well. And let's check the charging percentage, how much it is in both phones. And one more quick note, I did see sudden decrease in the iQOO 7's charging speed. I'm not sure why, but sometimes the charging speed is slightly low in the iQOO 7 device. So it's kind of random. I'm not sure why it is happening in the iQOO 7 device. Not only me, even some of the users, they did mention as well same kind of problem. Right now, it's charged up to 36%, and the OnePlus Nord 2 charged to 40%. So 36% and 40% for 10 minutes of time, as you can see friends exactly. So 36% and 40% doing this process demonstration, as you can see exact. And again, I'll be checking the temperatures. Let's check the temperatures. 32.4 degrees and 34.6 degrees. So 32 overall, front and back, everything is 32 and 34, not bad. As you can see, even the back also 34 degrees only during the process demonstration. So 32 degrees and 34 degrees. So usually the iQOO 7 should reach up to close to 46% of the battery within 10 minutes of time. In my experience of doing the charging test in this phone, I think so many times, maybe 20 to 30 times, I think so. So I did see this kind of slightly decreased in the iQOO 7 device. That is the reason why I did this video. Otherwise, I would have not done this kind of video side by side comparing. So you should know what is happening with the iQOO 7 device. Not only me, even as I said, few of the users did see this kind of problem happening in the iQOO 7 device. And even I thought of addressing to you all. And I'm still using the flash charge only friends during this process of demonstration. As you can see, flash charge completely. Let's see which phone will charge 50% faster. I think the OnePlus Nord 2 will charge faster. I think at this moment it's going with very full speed. So 46% at this moment. So this is going to be really interesting. As I said, maybe with the recent software update, this might be happening in the iQOO 7 devices. That's the one thing which I can definitely say that. Even my room temperature is pretty low, it's not high. So usually in this temperature, the iQOO 7 phone should be able to charge faster. But something is weird. So right now it's 42%, as you can see here, 42%, and OnePlus Nord 2 is a 48%. Now the gap started to decrease slowly. As you can see, you did observe, right? The gap started to decrease little by little. So, but for the first 10 minutes, I did see the slow charge in the iQOO 7 device. I'm not sure about the next 10 minutes, but for the first 10 minutes, yes. 43% and 49% in the OnePlus Nord 2. So the OnePlus Nord 2 can charge 50% exactly within 12 minutes of time. As you can see, 12 minutes, 50%. OnePlus Nord 2 did charge faster. As you can see, friends, exactly. Let me try to write down the ratings. 12 minutes, the OnePlus Nord 2 is a clear winner, and iQOO 7 device is at 44% of the battery in the 12 minutes of time. Let's see how much time more it's gonna take. As you can see, friends, right now we're getting close to 20 minutes of time as well. Let me try to check the battery percentage. 66% and 75%, as you can see. 66 and 75. So as I said, something is slow charging. I'm not sure. It's kind of randomly. Sometimes it's charging fast, sometimes it's charging slow. If you remember, in the beginning also, I used to have the same kind of problem. I think it's the same problem has been repeated. So let's see exactly 20 minutes, 67 and 76. It's kind of exactly opposite. So 67 and 76. As you can see, friends, exactly opposite, kind of reverse. So now let's take the temperature. So temperature, it should not be much big deal. 33.33 degrees and 35 degrees overall in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So 33 and 35. So again, I'll be back after 30 minutes. Let's see whether OnePlus Nord 2 can actually charge within 30 minutes mark or not. And 12 minutes 50% and 14 minutes 50% in the iQOO 7 device. As you can see, friends, exactly close to 29 minutes of time. The OnePlus Nord 2 charged to 99%, as you can see. 29 minutes of time, 99%, and whereas the iQOO 7 remained around 93% of charging speed. As you can see, friends, exactly. So after the recent software update, the phone is taking slightly more time to charge. That's a good thing because the temperature is not increasing. So during this process, so before the temperature used to increase up to close to 37 degrees and 36 degrees, but right now it was remaining very low. It's only 33 degrees maximum. It did reach, nothing much. As you can see. So OnePlus Nord 2 right now is about 99% exactly. 100% done in 29 minutes of time. As you can see, friends, 29 minutes of time that OnePlus Nord 2 took to charge 100%. So final thing is that the OnePlus Nord 2 was really consistent in terms of the maintaining the charging speed. So even in the day one as well, my phone took about close to 27 minutes, and after that 28 minutes, right now 29 minutes. So time slightly increasing, but it was below that 30 minutes of frame, 30 minutes of testing as well. Right now iQOO 7 was about exactly 95%, and temperature remaining 33 degrees. As you can see, 95%, friends, in 30 minutes of time. So let's see how long the iQOO 7 phone gonna take again to charge as well. So finally, friends, around 34 minutes of time, the iQOO 7 phone got completely charged to 100%. Yes, so 34 minutes, and the OnePlus Nord 2 took about 29 minutes of time. As you can see, friends, the clear difference, how much it is between both phones. So there's a difference of 5 minutes difference is there between the iQOO 7 and the OnePlus Nord 2 device. 66 watt charger and 65 watt wrap charger, and clear winner OnePlus Nord 2 was able to charge within that 30 minutes of time frame. That's fantastic thing to see. And 12 minutes time it took to 50% charge, and 14 minutes time it took in the iQOO 7 to 50% charge. And again, I'll be back with the next video, friends, and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. So meanwhile, make sure to hit that subscribe and to support me, and don't forget to check the playlist for more information as well. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.